As you can see, if you're just joining us here at the Lake Champlain Dragon Boat Festival, we're here to tell you about the racing as it happens, and it is going to be happening fast and furious for the rest of the afternoon.
Part of the team Freedom and Unity. We started our first team back in 2018, and this year I think there's 7 town clerks on our team. Unfortunately, we've lost town clerks to cancer, and it gets more and more every year. The fundraising piece is important to us too, and we paired up with Matt's Wash and Wax last year, and then this year we've come full force with them, hopefully to have a winning boat.
A lot of my team members really wanted to support the cause and get our own team, so that's why we teamed up with Freedom and Unity. And I've just been very fortunate for the tremendous outpour from my employees and the community itself, just for coming out here today.
Yeah, that's why we're here, to support the cause, and it's great to be out here, great to be on the water. You know, it's a very fun, like, competitive thing, so everyone has that edge. They like to get out there and get a race on.
Freedom and Unity coming into the bay now.
Strategy is definitely going to be getting a good start. At the start, if we can just all be in that same rhythm, I think we'll be good all the way through.
I think as we moved through the race, we got more and more in unison.
Because that's what it is out there. It's not how fast you pull that water backwards. It's really just, if everyone's in sync, you get that boat moving.
Everybody working together as a team. Once you get that momentum and rhythm, the boat almost takes off on its own.
Freedom and Unity? Freedom and Unity. All right, that was a close one. Amazingly fast races.
It's been amazing. Like I said, this is our second year with them, and they've just really brought us in and made us part of this team and Freedom and Unity. We love it, and I'm sure we're going to be here for years to come.
I would encourage other people to do it. It's fun to get a team together.
It definitely makes us more like team-oriented, I'd say, because, you know, we're all out there on the same boat. We all have the same goal. I think it just brings us more together, you know, even outside of being in the shop. So it was just, you know, getting ready to do it again. Love it.
I'm always willing to volunteer for a good cause. It's a lot of fun.
Everybody, I feel, has somewhat of a connection with cancer, especially nowadays. Recently, my mother was diagnosed with stage 4 cancer, so we really want to come out here and support her. It's been a wonderful thing to just celebrate, especially on that new level, that connection that we have to deal with my family itself, so it's meant a lot to me.